Well, today is due day. I got some customers came in from out of town. They down here for the weekend. We'll try and see the festivities, go see the dragons. We did the music already. Now we're gonna put the rest of the bike together. Man, what kind of pipe we looking at here, man?
That's the two brothers. Drop out.
Yeah, I see that.
It was going with Dirty Bird Concepts, but they just no comment on that.
It didn't work out.
Yeah,
Okay.
It didn't work out.
So with these right here, you're gonna assemble the heat shields first, and then it'll be more simple to do that first, and that goes like such. Okay. All right, and you got this is the tip that goes. Okay. Well, you brought all your bracketry and whatnot.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so today we got side panels, front chin strap, fender, and a spoke, but we ain't gonna talk about what the back one is. But anyway, and so we gonna leave that like that. And where did y'all? Where did y'all come down from, man?
From Yakima, Washington.
Yakima, Washington. So all three of y'all, two of y'all pounded on the ground, and one was in the truck.
Yeah.
So how y'all gonna get the bike back in this truck when it's time to go home?
We got a trailer.
Oh, y'all got a trailer. Oh, okay. Okay, I was wondering what the hell how y'all gonna figure this out, loading dock or whatnot. Well, I don't do bike installations as in music stuff. I mean, assembly, well, I used to, but I'm gonna let them use my space, and we're gonna get it in so they can enjoy their weekend and see the areas we got to see out here in the Bay Area. I'm just letting y'all see what I see. I gotta go. See y'all later. Oh, it's coming together. Got the spoke on it. Have them do some modifications. But my man got the screw kit going on the end down there. And looking like a bike now. Oh yeah. I'll turn the music on, let y'all hear it a little later on. We gotta do some fitment issues here. We're working it out. I'm curious to see how his freedom pipe sound. Seeing how he got them the bags like that. You can't have no tailpipe out the back. So you'll be forced to go with something like this. Or you would run it behind it and dump it down. But yeah, I'm curious to see how it's gonna work out. I mean, it's got the correct bracketry and whatnot. So yeah, he's looking good. I would claim credit, but I didn't. I just oversaw it. So I didn't want to do no work today. It's all them. Moment that we've been waiting for. Let me put a zip tie on that.
Valuable thing to have. Because think about it this way: if there was no level of ego in your life, in who you are, you would not be driven to try anything new.
Stop playing the music, see the damn clutch work.
Because what gives you the right to believe?
See if the clutch works. See if the clutch works. Yeah. Ride down the block. Be careful now. Ride it down the block a little bit, you know. As you see at Money's Car Stereo, we kind of thick out here today. My tongue and heels came through. Brought Old Faithful back through. We got this going together here. It just don't break a few times. A break. He gonna test ride it. Well, come on back in, young man. He got your key? That means you go nowhere. What's up, Miss Shaq?
I didn't get invited to the party.
Man, you can pull the Maserati up, man, you know. You're always invited. It's a bike party, baby. Go home and get a bike. Mish, motorcycle time only, baby. What's up with you? I just keep it moving, you know. That's what we do over here. Money's Car Stereo. I was gonna say motorcycles only, but we might fuck with you. Who knows? All right. Now go ahead and put that together. Now y'all can put
this one. I was a dummy when he was trying to tell me when he bought this to try to give me that so he could get that. I didn't even know what you had, man.
You back? Okay. It's still working. All right.
She said she know this, we know my friend, we pay her rent, her lifestyle set, we have to live it day and not the club and sweat, when she take it up her real car, cigarette.
Another one out the door, tagged and bagged. Money's Car Stereo. Just letting y'all see what I see. Where y'all ride to today, my man? Hayward. I heard their East Bay Dragons it's their weekend, so they doing a little meet and greet over there at the clubhouse today. Tonight, this evening, whatever, you know. If y'all on the ground, y'all come go on through, see what they up to, you know. Oh man, I gotta take care of these cats and then. Oh, okay, we're gonna see. All right, for sure, man. Oh, let me see something here. They ride thick today. You didn't find it?
That ain't the right side.
Oh, I don't know. Connector is right there. What? No, bring that hose all the way up here.
No,
the whole thing. Unravel the whole thing and bring it up here. And connect it into that one. Take that one off.
We think it was the.
You on the same page now with me?
Well, we thought it was.
Use the other end of it.
Then we thought it was, man.
That's the extension. We right now? All right. like I said, we got another one going out the door today. It's been here for a minute, but they came in, put on work, put on the Freedom exhaust out the side. What made you go with the Freedom exhaust?
So I was originally going with Dirty Bird. And Dirty Bird played me like a fool.
Dirty Bird did him dirty?
Yeah.
Okay.
Almost 7.5 months just to come to find out that they didn't even get the parts from manufacturing.
Oh,
They said it was going to chrome, it's going to chrome.
oh
I
man.
needed some pipes ASAP, and these were the only ones I could find, so I rolled with them.
Okay, so today we took them out the box. They assembled them. You know, I did a little supervision and threw in whatever advice I could give. You know, and they put a fender on, put a front tire, rim. What else they did? Side panels. So the end is near. Here you go, young man. What you got in your hand there, man?
What's that?
Let the world see what you see. It's been a busy day today,
Right.
you know. And so all I can say is, let people see what you see.
Seeing quality, sound, perfection.
There we go. Yeah, and where you come from again, my man?
Washington State.
Washington State. And my man over there was the first person to venture out from that area and say, hey, Rob, I'm gonna do a vacation. I'm gonna drop the bike off and handle it. And so after he got his, Alan, you said you was knocking him off up there.
Yep.
And so, okay.
Now I got competition.
Oh, now you got competition. We on round 2. So
I gotta come back and see you.
okay, well, if you wanna upgrade,
My
upgrade.
brother will be down here too.
Okay.
He's gonna.
He's like, okay, I need this in my life.
yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
all right.
he's seen it with his own eyes. Now he's ready to.
Yeah.
Okay.
He kind of tucked in the back corner when everybody rolled up. we had to.
He a little shy.
Yeah.
Okay, y'all. Money's Car Stereo up. The day is over with. Let's do something else. All right, gotta go.